Today I'm using my bolt-action airsoft sniper and the CO2 non-blowback pistol. We are playing 3v3s at the Eagle Mountain Airsoft field. Our team is starting on the left half of the field and the other team is starting on the right half. My teammates are starting at the top of the field and I'm going to push down around the bottom of the field.
I see Braden. They're up in the very top right.
I move to get in range.
Braden is down. I see Logan. Logan is pushing up top right.
I meet up with one of my teammates and then rush the enemy.
Push up. I'm right behind you.
I quickly checked over here for enemies.
See someone? Are you out? I see Michael, he's right there.